Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to open the settings, and to do it, wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the Chrome button, then press the Chrome button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to open the settings. In settings you will need to find the Wi-Fi option, and once you find it, tap on it. In the Wi-Fi menu you will see the button to turn on or off the Wi-Fi, and once it's turned on you will see that there will be network right here if your watch is connected to any network, and this is basically the current network, rather the network that your watch is currently connected to. And you can tap on this network to see some like IP address and stuff like that. But if you want to disconnect from a network, you will need to find the option called Saved Networks. Tap on it, find the network name you want to disconnect from. So let's say, for example, this one. And once you find the name, you can tap on it, and then tap on Forget, and tap on the check mark to forget it. And once you forget the network, your watch will basically disconnect from it and it won't connect to it anymore. And if it was the network that your watch was connected to it currently, it won't be connected anymore, and it will say that it was last used network basically. Okay, and once you're done you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face, and that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.